How to fix YouTube video not downloading problem. So if you want to fix the YouTube video not downloading problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold onto your YouTube application. Go with app info and first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go with the storage and cache. Go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, now you need to go back and you need to open up your Play Store. Go with the search and search for YouTube. Once you search, here you may have update. So if you have any updates, then you will get the problem. So what you need to do is simply go with the update and update your YouTube application. Once you update it, now you just need to simply go back and you can open up your YouTube. Go with the bottom right, go with downloads and go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots, and tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, here you will have an option of download over Wi-Fi only. So you just need to simply toggle it off. Once you toggle it off, now if you have your data, then it will download on your data also. And you can go with the download quality and just go with ask each time or go with the medium download quality. And that's it. Your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix YouTube video not downloading problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.